Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix downloading necessary game data not working on Mortal Kombat Mobile. So the first thing you have to do is just go to the App Store and search for Mortal Kombat application, and then right here you just have to go and uninstall this application. Okay, so as you can see we have uninstalled this app on our phone, and the next thing you have to do is, so right now just go to your phone settings right here and search for the option apps, and right here we have to search for Google Play Store. Okay, so if you open this Google Play Store option right here, you will see the storage, and in this section you have to go forward and select this option clear data and select OK. And after you've done that, just go back, hit this icon with the three dots right here in the top right corner and select uninstall updates. And after you've done that, you have to just go back to your Google Play Store, search for the Mortal Kombat application and just go forward and install it again. So if you've done these steps that I have shown you in this tutorial, this may fix your problem. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.